The journey of self-discovery. Understanding yourself and unlocking your potential. Self-discovery is a powerful and transformative journey that allows individuals to gain a deeper understanding of themselves, their values, and their passions. It's a process of exploration, reflection, and growth that can help people unlock their potential, build confidence, and live a more authentic and fulfilling life. What is self-discovery? Self-discovery is the process of gaining insight into one's own character, feelings, motives, desires, and values. It involves developing a better understanding of oneself, including strengths, weaknesses, and areas for improvement. Self-discovery is a journey that can help individuals. 1. Identify their passions and values. Understanding what drives and motivates you can help you make choices that align with your goals and aspirations. 2. Develop self-awareness. Recognizing your thoughts, feelings, and behaviors can help you navigate challenges and make positive changes. 3. Build confidence. Self-discovery can help you develop a more positive self-image and build confidence in your abilities. 4. Improve relationships. Understanding yourself can help you communicate more effectively and build stronger relationships with others. 5. Make informed decisions. Self-discovery can help you make choices that align with your values and goals. The benefits of self-discovery. The benefits of self-discovery are numerous and can have a profound impact on various aspects of life. Some of the benefits include: 1. Increased self-awareness. Understanding yourself can help you recognize patterns, habits, and areas for improvement. 2. Improved decision-making. Self-discovery can help you make choices that align with your values and goals. 3. Enhanced creativity. Exploring your passions and interests can help you tap into your creative potential. 4. Better relationships. Understanding yourself can help you communicate more effectively and build stronger relationships with others. 5. Increased confidence. Self-discovery can help you develop a more positive self-image and build confidence in your abilities. The process of self-discovery. Self-discovery is a unique and individual process that can involve various activities and practices. Some ways to embark on a self-discovery journey include: 1. Journaling. Writing down your thoughts, feelings, and experiences can help you gain insight into your patterns and habits. 2. Meditation and mindfulness. Practicing mindfulness and meditation can help you develop greater self-awareness and clarity. 3. Exploring your passions. Engaging in activities that bring you joy and fulfillment can help you identify your passions and values. 4. Seeking feedback. Asking for feedback from trusted friends, family, or mentors can provide valuable insights into your strengths and areas for improvement. 5. Trying new experiences. Stepping outside your comfort zone and trying new experiences can help you discover new interests and talents. Overcoming challenges on the journey of self-discovery. The journey of self-discovery can be challenging, and it's common to encounter obstacles along the way. Some common challenges include: 1. Fear of change. Embracing change and uncertainty can be difficult, but it's often necessary for growth and self-discovery. 2. Self-doubt. It's common to experience self-doubt and uncertainty during the self-discovery process. 3. Lack of clarity. It can be challenging to gain clarity on your values, passions, and goals. 4. External pressures. Societal expectations, family pressures, and other external factors can influence your journey of self-discovery. Conclusion: self-discovery is a powerful and transformative journey that can help individuals gain a deeper understanding of themselves and unlock their potential. By embracing the process of self-discovery, you can develop greater self-awareness, build confidence, and live a more authentic and fulfilling life.